What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron Scott shooting this video because I want to give you guys a recap of a recent trade that we took utilizing our PETS perfect entry trading system in conjunction with the education that we are learning in Tradera. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Tradera, we'll get into that in a second. But this was a beautiful trade that we had the pleasure of taking as a team. Well, some of us anyway that are utilizing the system. But GBP USD gave us well over. As you can see here, this is the start of the break. We got ultimate trend reversal signals here, indicating that we're going to be looking for a sell. We're still above the money line, but once we crossed over under the money line, as you can see, we went into a heavy downtrend and it's continuously falling. As of right now, it's sitting on a little bit of support. We're actually looking to take this trade a little bit up, just to scalp it up just a little bit. But this trade, if you was to utilize the confirmations and the set of rules that we have with this template, you could have caught well over 1,400 pips in the market. 1,400 pips, trading one pair based off of this one template and the confirmations that we have lined up. Now, as you can see, we have a yellow circle here. We have a blue star, we have a white arrow, a green arrow, a yellow arrow, and a red arrow. This is about 6 confirmations all on the chart itself, telling you that a trend reversal is about to come, because this was an uptrend. As you can see, it told us that the downtrend was going to reverse soon. It started an uptrend, went above our money line. Then it was telling us that we should start looking for a reversal and start looking for sales. Very soon, price crossed over our money line, and as you can see, it continuously fell over 1,400 pips in profit. Not only that, as you can see down here, our momentum oscillators, we went into the red, which means you are now in seller's territory. And as you can see, it gave you the red signal all in this area right before it crossed over the money line. Not only that, you got your kiss and cross, you got your arrows, you're now in seller's territory, all in this area here. So all while you were still in buyer's territory, you started getting sellers indications or sellers indicators telling us to sell before the drop happened. And if you had took advantage of the sale, like I said again, that's well over 1,400 pips. Now I know a lot of guys don't, a lot of traders trying to refrain from utilizing indicators. Indicators is more so for the people that have been struggling, trying to find entries and exits, people that have been struggling in their trading journey. A system like this can definitely help you, put you on the right side of the trade, or at least let you know that you are on the right side of the trade. So education is important. You want to know how to trade based off of price action, market structure, fundamentals, and technical analysis as well. But that can take some time. And as you're learning, you can utilize systems like this, the perfect entry trading systems or indicators or templates that we have inside of the system to let you know that you are on the right side of the trade. If you're looking for a sale, you want to make sure you're on the right side of the trade. Notice that all of these candles are red, letting you know that you should be selling. Notice these candles are blue, letting you know that you should be buying. Notice here you have green in the momentum bar. Notice you should be buying. You should not be buying if it's telling you you're in seller's territory. So the system will definitely put you on the right side of the trade, or at least let you know that you're on the right side of the trade. Therefore, you can trade with confidence. But on top of that, education is key. You want to learn how to trade off of market structure. You want to learn how to trade based off of institutional levels. That's how the banks trade. So with our academy, we have a full syllabus teaching people how to trade based off of institutional levels, teaching them the smart way to trade based off of price action, market structure, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, things like that. So I'm gonna pull up a chart where we drew out GBP USD, because this is just for confirmations. We have traders that trade without indicators. We have traders in our team that trade without the PET system. The PET system is more so for confirmations, just to let you know if you are on the right side of the trade or not. So I'm gonna pull up a chart. That way you can see what we were looking at. Give me 1 second, you guys. We'll pull up a chart. Where is it? Hold on, give me a second, you guys. And I'm going to pull up Trading View so you guys can see, where is it? GBP USD. We actually got a buy on GBP AUD. I love the alerts, but this is GBP USD. Notice we have lines on our chart. These horizontal zones are institutional zones, and we have a trend line going on here. This is an uptrend. In order for you to sell in the market, if you're noticing that the market or the trend is going up, this is called an uptrend. You do not want to sell unless this market structure is broken. Notice once market structure was broken here, it broke your trend line, your upward channel, it started to go in a downtrend. And this was the tip top of the trade that we caught utilizing the perfect entry trading system. You caught the break of structure, and notice how price started to react to these levels. These levels that I have on this chart was drawn on this chart months ago, or maybe weeks ago, probably about 5 or 6 weeks ago. Every once in a while, I might have to readjust it depending on where price is at. But notice how price is reacting to these levels. Came down to this level, it stopped, broke through these levels, came down to this level here, stopped to the T, came back up to these levels, came down to the T, stopped to this level, came back up again, came back down. Well, you kind of get the point. But notice how price is bouncing on these levels. We caught another bounce here. This is a re-entry. We caught a bounce on these levels, and just judging from the perfect entry trading system, it told us that we're still heavy in seller's territory. So I wanted to catch another entry. So being that I saw this brief uptrend, this is just a pullback. I saw this brief uptrend. I went ahead and created a trend line to wait for market structure to break, which is exactly what happened. And as soon market structure broke, it shot down again, came back up to our level and shot back down even further. So as you can see, we trade utilizing market structure as well. We teach people how to trade utilizing market structure, price analysis, market analysis, price action, things like that. But the perfect entry trading system is more so to help you guys get better confirmations and more confidence when trading in the market. We have a major crisis going on right now in the economy, in the world. And there's a lot of people out there that may start to struggle just a little bit in the near future. Trading Forex, trading the markets can help someone during a crisis. So if you are unfamiliar with trading Forex, or if you know someone that may be looking for a way to multiply their money, trading Forex may be the way to go. So if you are one of those people, or if you know somebody that may be one of those people, get in contact with me so that I can get you registered for our online workshop. It'll break down exactly what you need to know and how to get started in trading Forex the right way with confidence so that you can start getting real results. We have people that have literally became 6-figure and 7-figure earners in the last couple of weeks, all because of an economic crash. While everybody is panicking, while all of the people are pulling out on their stocks, people are pulling out of their Bitcoins, we got CEOs that are stepping down and selling their shares because of an economic crash. We have people in the group that are trading the economic crash and making 6, even 7 figures. So if you want to truly take back control of your investments, if you want to learn how to multiply your money the right way, with the right company, the right platform, and the right community of people that are really getting results, get in contact with me so that I can share some information with you, get you registered for our next online workshop, get you started with our Winner Circle team. That way you can get access to the educational platform, and you will get free access to our perfect entry trading system. The perfect entry trading system alone is well worth over $500. But just as good measure, if you decide to join with our Winner Circle group and get involved with the best Forex educational platform online, we will make sure that you get access free of charge. Get in contact with me or anybody else that's in the Winner Circle group so that you can get access to not just the platform, but get access to one of the best trading systems that you can find online. Hopefully, this crisis does not put you in a bad position. Hopefully you take advantage of the crisis, therefore putting you in a financial situation that can change your family's life for generations to come. I see you guys on the other side, or I'll see you in the next video.